topic is derivatives of plane view. The plane view may be modified by extending it warp or weft way or the both the directions. The extension of the plane view thus produces a rib effect in its structure. A warp rib results from extending the plane view in the warp direction, and a weft rib structure results from extending the plane view in the weft direction. A matte rib results from extending the plane view in both the directions. The prominence of the rib can be increased by suitable use of coarse and fine count of yarns. The dependence of all rib construction upon the correct thread setting is marked. So the classification of derivatives of plane view are: first one, warp rib, weft rib, and matte rib. Further, these three are classified into regular and irregular manner. That is, regular warp rib, irregular warp rib. Next, regular weft rib and irregular weft rib. Then, regular matte rib and irregular matte rib. Warp rib fabrics. These are produced by extending the plane view in warp way direction. The warp rib views are constructed both on the regular and irregular basis. The warp rib effect can be enhanced with a high number of ends per inch and a comparatively low number of picks per inch. The rib or the chord effect shown in horizontal direction in the fabric's surface. See the design. So the plane view is extended in the warp direction. So first one is the figure A is the regular warp rib view. It shows the regular warp rib view. Why we are calling as a regular means the interval between these two peaks are equal. These two ends are equal. See here, two up, again two down. Same way, alternately, we can arrange two down and the two up. So the interval between the arrangement is equal. That's why we are calling regular one. See the irregular warp rib arrangement. Here, first four up and two down. Then, as per the plane order, four down and two up. So, this is called four up, two down warp rib view. So, it's a simple warp rib view arrangement. Here we are using 2 by 2 warp rib, 2 up, 2 down in the first end, and 2 down and 2 up in the second end. Then next, drafting arrangement, the heel frame 1. The first end is drawn through the heel frame 1 and second end is different from the first end. So second end is drawn through the heel frame 2. Then lifting based on the design. So the first pick and the second pick, heel frame 1 is lifted up, and the third pick and the fourth pick, the first end is kept down. In the second end, the first and second picks, the heel frame 2 is kept down and the heel frame 2 is lifted up in the third and fourth pick. So this is the video. So regular warp rib. So regular warp rib fabric formula number for these warp rib fabrics: 2 up and 2 down. Regular warp rib fabric. So the boxes shown here are design, draft, and pick plan. So here we can arrange 2 by 2 regular warp rib arrangement. So here 2 end with the 4 picks is enough to draw the design. Further are repeating units. So design part is over now. Next, drafting arrangement. So the first end is drawn through the first heeled frame, and the second end is different from the first one. So it is drawn through the second heeled frame. The odd number of ends are drawn through the first heeled frame, and the even number of ends are drawn through the second heeled frame. The next peg plan. The peg plan. The first pick and second pick. The first pick and second pick in the first end are lifted up. So the heel frame one is lifted up in these two picks. Then fifth and sixth picks also the first heel frame is lifted up. The second end, third and fourth picks, the second end is lifted up. Then the seventh and eighth. So design, draft and peg plan. Here the blue color solid mark indicates warp up and blank box indicate warp down or lift up. Next, warp rip irregular arrangement. See the design. So here we are using formula of 4 by 2. 4 by 2 arrangement. First 4 in the first end, first 4 picks are in the first 4 picks, the first end is lifted up, and next 2 picks, the first end is kept down. In the plain view arrangement, the second end is kept down on first 4 picks and lifted up on the last 2 picks. So the first end is drawn through the heel frame 1, and the second end is different from the first one. So it drawn through the heel frame 2. Then peg plan or lifting plan. The first 4 picks, the heel frame is lifted up. The heel frame 1 is lifted up, and in the fifth and sixth pick, the heel frame 1 is kept down. The second end ran through the heel frame 2. In this, the first 4 picks, the heel frame 2 is kept down, and fifth and sixth pick, the heel frame is lifted up and forming the warp up. So this the video shows regular warp rip. Here the formula number is 3 by 2 irregular warp rib. See the design. Based on the formula number, we can form the design in the design box at the graph paper. So 3 up, 2 down. So take the first end, mark 3, send 2 down. Then mark the second end, 3 down and 2 up for plain view arrangement. This is the basic design. Further are repeating units of this design. Next, drafting arrangement. So first end run through the first heel frame, then second end run through the second heel frame. The add number of ends are same as first end. So those are run through the first heel frame and even number ends are run through the second heel frame. Then peg plan. So in the first three peaks, the first end is lifted up. Then the second end, the first three peaks, the second end is kept down, and fourth and fifth peak, that second end is lifted up. So the blue color mark indicates warp up and blank box indicates warp down. In the peg plan, the first end, in the first three peaks, the first end is lifted up. So the heel frame one is lifted up in the first three peaks and kept down in the next two peaks, fourth and fifth peak. The same way, the second heel frame, the second end run through the second heel frame. The second heel frame is kept down in the first three peaks and lifted up in the next two peaks. So this peg plan shows here. From the warp, in the warp rib fabrics, see here, the hard line shows in the horizontal direction. Mostly in the hard lines, more visible in the horizontal direction. Next, web trip. These are constructed by extending the plane view in the weft direction. It is necessary to weave a web trip with a high number of picks per inch and a comparatively low number of ends per inch. The web trip weaves are constructed both on the regular and irregular basis. The ribbed or the chord effect shown in vertical direction in the fabric surface. These two figures shows the regular and irregular weft rib fabric, weft rib weaves. Here the interval between these two are equal. See here, first half. The interval between these weave is different, 3/1. So here, this is the basic weft rib regular order. So the interval, the difference is equally 3. 3/3. 3/3. Based on this, the drafting arrangement is there. First peak, first three ends are lifted up, and the second peak, last three ends are lifted up, and the peg plan is same as plane view. This the video shows regular warp rib. So the formula number is 2/2. So design, draft and pick plan here. Boxes are shown, design, draft and pick plan. The formula number is 2 by 2. So in the regular web trip means it extended in the left way direction. See here that plane view is extended in the left way here. 2 picks with 4 ends enough to draw the design. Further are repeating units. The design is over now. Next, drafting arrangement. So the first 2 ends are same. So we can draw these 2 ends in the first heel frame. The third and fourth ends are different from the first 2. So that 2 ends are drawn through the second heel frame. The fifth and sixth in first heel frame, seventh and eighth are same as third and fourth. So they may drawn through the second heel frame. Now you can see the pick plan of this design, or lifting plan of this design. In the first pick, first 2 ends are lifted up. So the first heel frame is lifted up in the first 2 picks. First 2 ends, sorry. First pick, first heel frame is lifted up. First end and second end are lifted up. The first heel frame. So the design, the back plan shows the first heel frame. First 2 ends are drawn through this first heel frame. So the first pick, first heel frame are lifted up. The second pick, the third and fourth ends are lifted up. Both are drawn through the second heel frame. So in the second heel frame is having third and fourth ends, that is lifted in the second pick. Here the blue color solid mark indicates the warp up and the blank box indicate warp down. Then web trip irregular. See the design here, 3 bar 2, 3 by 2 arrangement, that is 3 up 2 down web trip. So the difference is irregular, that's why it's called irregular web trip design. The irregular web trip design, formula number for this one is 3 by 2. So mark the design in the design box. So web trip, so first 3 up, 2 down. Extending the web way. So here 5 ends with 2 picks is enough to draw the design. Further are repeating units. 5 ends with 2 picks is enough to draw the design. So next is drafting arrangement. Here first three ends are drawn through the healed frame one because these three are lifting in the same position. Then the fourth and fifth end are different from the first three. So these two are drawn through the second healed frame. Based on the design, the lifting plan is arranged here. So the first healed frame lifted up in the first peak. The second healed frame lifted up in the second peak. So higher number of peaks, the healed frame one is lifted up, and even number of peaks, the healed frame two is lifted up. The blue color solid mark indicates warp up and blank color shows the warp down. Next is mat rib. These weaves are also variously known as half sack or basket weaves. The mat rib structures result from extending the plane view in both the directions. The regular and irregular types are shown in the figure. See here, the regular mat rib and the irregular mat rib. Here 3x3 arrangement is followed here. Here 3x4 is followed here. Okay. See this video of regular mat rib with 2x2 arrangements. So in the mat rib views, we can extend warp way and webbed way. So two ends and two peaks are filled here. The next third and fourth peaks and ends are filled. So the four ends with the four peaks is needed to produce a basic design of regular mat view. So the design portion is completed. Next, drafting arrangement. The first two ends are same lifting, same. So that's why first two ends are drawn through the first heel frame. The third and fourth ends are same one. So that two are drawn through the second heel frame. Then lifting plan. The first two ends are having the same lifting and they are drawn to the first heel frame. So the first two peaks, the first heel frame is lifted up, and fifth and sixth peaks also the first heel frame is lifted up here. The second heel frame is lifted in the third and fourth and seventh and eighth peaks. This is the complete design, draft and bake plan of regular mat view. The blue color solid mark indicates warp up and the blank mark indicates the warp down or weft up. So this is the design shows irregular mat view. This video shows the irregular mat view. Here we are using 3 by 2. The formula number is 3 by 2. So design is extended in the warp way and weft way. So now we are extending the weft way directions. So this is a basic unit. So the basic unit for formula number 3 by 2 is 5 ends with 5 peaks. Further are repeating units. So next is drafting arrangement. The first 3 ends are drawn through the first heel frame, and the fourth and fifth ends are drawn through the second heel frame. So in the first pick, the first end is lifted up in the first 3 picks and kept down in the uh, next 2 picks. Here the blue color solid mark indicates the warp up and blank box indicates the weft down. Sorry, weft up or warp down. So this is the basics of plane view. So the plane view is the arrangement of warp up in warp down as alternate manner. Then further, the derivatives of the plane views are warp rib, weft rib, and mat rib. The warp rib, regular and irregular. Weft rib also, regular and irregular. The mat view also, regular and irregular designs are there. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If any doubts, leave your comments here. Thank you all.